eBook 2, Part 1, The Enchanted Friendship, Eliza and the Colorful Fairies. Once upon a time, in a little village near a magical forest, there was a girl named Eliza. She was kind and curious, but had never been into the forest or met anyone different from her. One day, while walking near the forest, Eliza saw colorful fairies. They were small and spoke a language she didn't understand. At first, she was scared, but then she saw that the fairies were scared of her too. Eliza decided to be brave. She smiled and reached out her hand. The fairies slowly came closer and touched her hand. Even though they couldn't understand each other's words, they became friends. In the days that followed, Eliza and the fairies became close friends. They showed her the forest's magical secrets, and she showed them the joy of human friendship. Together, they learned that being different is okay and can be wonderful. They realized that by sharing their worlds, they made life even more special. So, in that enchanted forest, a young girl and a group of fairies found the magic of friendship and the beauty of being different. They showed everyone that friendship can happen in the most amazing places. As days turned into weeks, Eliza and her fairy friends embarked on incredible adventures together. They taught her how to listen to the wind's whispers, find hidden fairy doors in tree trunks, and dance under the light of the moon.